More and more products on the market are designed specifically for female customers. Even the more masculine PC case is now with a feminine touch. InWin, which mainly exports its products to the US and European markets, has introduced Diva after a lure at Computex Taipei, which took everyone's breath away. What the female customers love the most, the heat venting ability and low noise function with size of 6.8 liter and black, silver and soft peach colors. The diamond checkers design with Swarovski crystals gave the products the feel and image of name brand designer product.
We noticed that in the market, there are very few IT products are designed for female users. So this year, we launched this small form factor chassis called the Diva, especially designed for female consumers who really love fashion and also care about the quality of life.
The computer case is mini in size and cute with practical designs. The delicate and graceful designs are just a few of the highlights. It comes with 2 USB outlets and hydraulic CD-ROM cover, showing the classic trend with a technological twist. InWin technology products include PC case, storage, power supply, and more, each with distinctive features. Some of them are of Star Wars matching concept, while some were inspired by Ferrari designs. The InWin research and development spirit is creative and modern. Taiwanese manufacturing industry's creativities are unlimited, creating more room for imagination, benefiting the consumers.